Hi guys, so I have received a question on the YouTube channel there, and the question was, how do I create a new user operator login so I can install all my Earthworks settings under my name in the equipment? So the way to do it, and I'm in the simulator here. So once you have this, once you are on your machine, there is something called web interface, and that's, as you can see, once you log in, this will give you like a whole bunch of other settings. One of the settings here, I believe under configure, I lied. One of the settings under advanced and user permission is you can actually, if you unlock it, send a message to, you can add your operator name. So let's do mine, Mateusz, and you can choose what you want to do. So the operator is access to app plus edit GNSS correction sources, and heading sensor calibration. Technician is the web interface, and technician web plus edit user permission. So, you know, obviously I'm gonna turn them all on. It wants a password, so let's do, you know, it has to be 8 characters, 1 digit, lowercase, upper, and special characters. So let's do Earthworks. And save. So then when I'm going to my interface, which I should have somewhere running, oh yeah, here we go. So first of all, I have to get out of the web interface here, obviously. So how would I do that? No. Oh yeah. Log out. There we go. So now this is your web interface. Okay, and technically I should have a Mateusz login here. And now when I do all my settings and everything, technically they should stay under my name. So hope that helped you out there, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.